Since the dawn of time, people have been congregating around bodies of water. Whether a lake, a river, or a small stream, we are drawn to water. For play, transportation, our survival, or simply for the peace it brings, being drawn to water is a part of being human. When it comes to being drawn to water, nothing attracts more people to it than this: a simple waterfall. Minnesota. Known for being the land of 10,000 lakes, it holds a secret that the rest of the nation may not be aware of. Minnesota has an abundance of waterfalls. Here we will explore some of the most well-known and a few more obscure waterfalls in the state. We'll be moving from south to north during both the summer and the winter to share with you these wonders of nature. Welcome to the Waterfalls of Minnesota.